It is said that once Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiallahu ta'ala anha mentioned to them, "My nephew, the hair of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was neither too long nor too short. It was slightly longer than the lobe of his ears and shorter than the shoulders. By Allah, my nephew, sometimes a whole month would pass in such a way that no fire would be lit in any of the Prophet's houses, except for a little bit of meat if it came from somewhere. For us there were only two things in our provisions, water and dates. However, around us the Ansar well provisioned homes. When the time for the Prophet's reunion came, there was hardly any food in Al-Madinah that a person with a full stomach could eat, only a small amount of grain. But I kept feeding him for a long time until the food did not finish. One day I measured it and it was finished. I wish I had not measured it. By Allah, the Prophet's bed was made of leather filled with date palm fibers." Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23668.